It's like a car show broke out all of a sudden. This is the Jeeps and Java event. It's cool. We brought all our rigs in. Even the Aussies are here. Johnny's here. Everybody's having a good time. A bunch of locals brought their Jeeps in. Everybody's socializing, and you know who gets to do what? I get to work on vehicles, but I'm okay with that because we're doing something cool. We're gonna put a pedal commander on the Revolution gear and axle Jeep. Pedal commander is really cool. Most of you are familiar with it, but if you're not, there's 4 modes, right? And so you got Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Within each mode, you've got 9 different levels of adjustability, and we're talking about throttle response. Just, is it gonna be slow or is it gonna be instant? You've got 36 different levels to where you can customize it to whatever you're doing in the vehicle. The thing I wanna do today is I wanna test this on off-road applications. Traction is the name of the game. They don't wanna spin the tires. You spin the tires, you lose traction, you slide off of things, bad things happen. We wanna keep these guys going. And I know they don't wanna bang these vehicles up. So we're gonna put it in eco mode and dial it way down. And you just do that from the little controller. It takes seconds, you know? So you simply unplug the plug under the gas pedal, and then this just tethers right in. And you run this little controller up to wherever it's comfortable, and then they can just do it with their thumb. They can control all of it. You can also do it with the app on your phone if you're one of those guys that likes to use your phone to control everything. We'll put it in eco mode and see how it does on the rocks. I'm looking forward to that.
Before we head up to the mansion, Matt caught up with Brooke in the Revolution Gear Jeep to see if the pedal commander we installed earlier at the Route 66 Museum was making a difference out here on the trip.
So it's been a couple hours since I installed the pedal commander back at the Jeeps and Java thing a little bit earlier today. I've been looking forward to catching up with you again to see, how you like it.
Well, coming out of the parking lot, I had to put it on Sport Plus and 4 and see how it went.
Of course you did.
Even in city mode, it had a little extra pep. So that's what I'm using out here on the trail. Get a little bit extra bump up the rocks. I love it.
Okay, so you're not dialed all the way down then? You're kind of in the middle on that?
Yep.
And
Sport Plus seemed to be a little much.
you don't want Sport Plus when you're trying to climb up and down the rocks at all?
No.